Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must, we say must, and I hope you guys are doing good. On today's menu we have peanut drops. Here are the ingredients that I will be using to make this treat, and it's a treat indeed. Summer we call it peanut cake. So peanut cake, peanut drops, whichever one, we just have a drop. So firstly, I'm going to prepare my ginger that I will be putting in my little treat. I was trying so hard to make sure I peel this thing with the skin being as thin as possible, because I get used to the vegetable peeler them. Trust me, if you use knife and peel something now, sometimes it's something else, because you know you can easily just dig down in it and get a chunk. Guys, you can use as much ginger as you want in this recipe. So let's grate our ginger. This reminds me of, you know, when you're growing up and you used to have to grate the coconut so mommy can juice it and put in the in the rice and peas. That's what this reminds me of. Fond memories. Work, girl, work. Greater. Just not chop off your finger. So make sure to knock it out and get out all of the ginger. So in my pot, I'm putting 2.5 cups of water, but you guys can honestly put 2. It maybe would have take less time for the boiling process. Now maybe it would. And we're adding 1/2 cup of ginger. Now remember, I say you can add as much as you want. If you don't love your throat for burn when you eat the drops, then that's fine. So stir it up and cover it and bring this to a boil. So here we are. Now that it's boiled, go ahead and add 3 cups of peanuts, and 3 cups of sugar. Honestly, you can add 2.5 or even 2 cups of sugar, but I was doing a cup for a cup. So stir it up, stir up everything, combine everything. And add 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix it up. And here we are. This is what we are starting out with. So we are going to cover it for 40 minutes and let it boil, and then we'll come back and we'll see what we are work with from right there. So okay guys, now here we are after 40 minutes. Stir it up, and here is the consistency now. We aren't there yet. So now that the majority of it is boiled down, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Stir up everybody. and you go cover him back down and make him continue boil, because we need it to go right down. So guys, we need it to boil until the liquid is reduced and it's down to a nice sticky delight. But see, it's thickening and almost there. So just make it go and boil. So when I'm doing this, I'm looking for it to separate in the middle and sticking together. From you see this, you know, we are almost there. Now see where this look better. Yes, this is almost perfect. Almost perfect. Give it 5 more minutes and then we can drop them. I did a little bit too love my belly, so I never really want to wait. So stir it up. And you see the difference? So I'm going to spray my tray. And guys, you have to do this quickly. You have to move quickly, because trust me, them won't dry up on you. Them look nice already. So I also drop some on some grease paper. Here we have them. Here we have them. So you can leave them to cool for a few hours, or better yet, leave them to dry overnight. Gonna look nice. And here we have them all dry, nice, and looking so perfect. Guys, these are so delicious, and all the greater cake and all the gizzard out of all of them there, these are my absolute favorite, hands down. I would eat them every day if I could. Then coconut drops they in a, you know, like second. Yeah, love them. You guys have no idea how happy I am that I can make these on my own. We say save money, and worse if you have this somewhere where you can buy them. Trust me, but not fret yourself. We say make them yourself. You won't regret it. Vibes family, thank you so much for watching, and not forget to share and tell someone else to come check us out and subscribe, like this video, and subscribe family, subscribe. God bless you.